What is going on, guys? It's Tony here and welcome back to Raw Details. Today we have this beautiful 2023 Aston Martin that came in for window tint, paint correction, and ceramic coating. But is one more service that we're gonna be doing, and that one is gonna be repel. It's gonna be a ceramic coating for the leather, and as well we are gonna be applying a coating for all the fibers in order to protect the interior of this vehicle. All right, guys, so before the application, it doesn't work with the glove. Before the application of the ceramic coating, we want to make sure that we have our dedicated leather cleaner. And for that, we are gonna be using this one here from Dr. Business. And as well, we are gonna be using a brand new microfiber towel. So this is gonna ensure that we are gonna be removing any body oils from the surface, and is gonna, the way the coating is gonna bond to the surface. Now remember, if it's a vehicle that is being used a lot, the cleaning process maybe is gonna be different, because we're gonna have to do in that situation a full interior detail instead of just wiping off the leather, you know. But like I said, sometimes we can use steam clean or we can use compressed air in order to do all those things. But once again, this vehicle is fairly new. It has only 7,000 miles since it is a 2023. And just like that, let's keep moving. So guys, this vehicle is leather everywhere. There is not a single spot in the interior of this vehicle, except for the carpet, but is leather everywhere, which is amazing. This vehicle is amazing. I love it. And definitely we need to protect this, because that's gonna help. It's gonna help whenever we are going in and out from the vehicle. The coating is gonna help to prevent dye transfer, and as well it's gonna prevent from getting cracks over time. I'm not saying that it's not gonna happen. I'm saying that it's gonna help to give it a longer time, you know, without that happening. The coating is for a 1 year. It's a 1 year coating on high traffic areas. But on some areas that we don't have high traffic, like the sealant and stuff like that, that coating is gonna last forever on those areas, because there is nothing touching it and that type of stuff. The other thing is, make sure to swipe or switch your microfiber towel often, because the idea is to transfer the body oils to the microfiber. This is my Tor microfiber so far, so make sure we are switching the towels very often. Really nice. All right, guys, so like I mentioned, the coating that we are gonna be using is Repel from Geist, and we are going to see what we have in the box. So as you guys can see, we have the bottle itself. We also have an applicator pad and a nice microfiber cloth, and this thing says that it's over 12 months of protection. So yeah, like, and that's, I would say, for high traffic areas. So once again, if you apply this product on an area that doesn't have like a high traffic, that thing is gonna last a lot longer. So yep, and there is some information about, you know, the aspects and everything. We have as well the instructions over here on how to apply, which we're gonna go over, and there is some more information. Once again, this product is from Geist, and yep, we have another one right here as well, and this is the one that I've been using. This is just a new one, so for you guys to check it out. And once again, let's move on to the leather and let's do it together. All right, guys, so a quick tip that I can give you guys is I always like to start on a small area, for example, and I chose like an area that is heighted. The reason why is because I just like to ensure, and I want to make sure that I'm gonna like the appearance of the coating. This coating is supposed to be, you know, it's not gonna give any shine, it's not gonna give any of those things to the leather, but just to, you know, from my safety and ensure that it's gonna look like the way I want it, I just do like in a small area. Like I said, it can be right here on one of these areas, or it can be somewhere over here on this section as well. And just to make sure, you know, like I like to test it out, I like to check it out. And then after that, if I like it, then I continue doing the entire vehicle, because you have to give it, you have to apply it, give it like 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes to buff it out. So if you don't do that, and then let's say for instance that you apply it in the entire vehicle and then you might not gonna like it, then you're gonna run into some issues. Also, they say if you see any streaks on the surface, all you have to do is reapply a little bit on the applicator, install it, and then buff it off right away. Same thing for vegan leather is gonna, or imitation type of leather. They said that you're gonna see there is gonna be some sort of like a streaks, but you let it set for the 15 to 20 minutes, and then you buff it off, and you should be fine. So, but anyways, like I said, I already tried this on another vehicle, but this is a different vehicle, a different vehicle. So we want to make sure that this is gonna react good to this material. Okay, let's keep going. I already can see that it's gonna look good. But we're gonna let it sit for the 15-20 minutes, and then we're gonna continue. All right, so since I am very happy with the way it looks, I'm just gonna apply it to the entire vehicle. You just want to make sure that you're gonna apply this evenly in the entire surface. It says circular motion, but I wanna say you guys can apply it straight lines if you guys would like, but I think they suggest circular motion because you guys gonna see that it's gonna be less streaks by applying it like that. Yeah, very nice. Let's keep going. In these high traffic areas, I'm gonna apply it twice. So I'm gonna apply it, let it sit, and then do it again, just to ensure that it's gonna be protected like the way I want. Alright guys, so the last thing that we are going to be working with is applying fabric protection to these carpets, and Ivan is doing the rest of the carpets in the vehicle. So pretty easy, but it's amazing the results that we get from these products, or this type of products. Over here in this case we are using smart fabric from G-Technique, and what we do, we apply the product evenly. Once we apply the product, I like to brush it in a little bit so the product is gonna get into the fibers. Can be any brush. And then we do it one more time. And now we're just gonna let it sit overnight, and we just continue doing the rest. I will show you guys the hydrophobics that we get. The idea is that this product is gonna help to prevent, for instance, let's say you drop coffee into the carpet, so the coffee is gonna remain in the surface for a good amount of time, and that's gonna give you time to mop it up. So really good. I like it, and it's amazing because if, let's say, coffee is not going in, so then you're gonna prevent bad smells and all that type of stuff from your vehicle. All right guys, so we are finally done with this amazing vehicle, 2023 Aston Martin, full of leather. Once again, we did a ton of services on this vehicle, mainly to protect the vehicle. We did a single stage paint correction. We did apply a 3-year ceramic coating, and as well we did the ceramic window tint, and we did use repel for all the leather, since this thing has a lot of leather. So this thing is amazing. Once again, it doesn't leave any streaks, and as well it leaves a natural appearance on the leather. Amazing. The next product that we use, smart fabric from G-Technique. Amazing product. This thing is awesome. You guys gonna see how nice it's gonna keep all the liquids. If you guys drop coffee, juice, anything, the liquid is gonna remain on the surface, and it's gonna give you time to mop it up with something. So amazing product. And last but not least, we did use this product over here from Dr. Business for the leather. This is specific to clean up the leather. Once again guys, these ones are amazing products. We are always looking for the best products in the market in order to provide the best service to our clients, and we are here located in Richmond, Virginia. If you guys are looking for any type of services like this, we are here in Richmond, Virginia, and as well we have a location in Greenville, South Carolina. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Once again, get all your products from Car Supplies Warehouse. All the links on the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.